Hello world, this is Shiraj. Welcome to this channel. In this lesson number 2, we are going to discuss how we can create a new workbook and how we can open a workbook and the compatibility mode. So let's get started. Now I'm in the start screen of Microsoft Excel 2019. Excel files are called workbook. You can start your work in two ways. For example, you can create a new blank workbook. Otherwise, you can start from templates. So let's see how we can create the blank workbook. If you want to create a blank workbook, you can click on the home and you can click this blank workbook. Otherwise, you can come to this new and you can click on this new blank workbook. Here we have blank workbook. I'm going to click on this and we can have blank workbook. Or else I can go to the backstage view, I can click on the new, and here we have template. Templates are half-boiled files, so we can download the files and we can start your works in a short period of time. So here we have groups of templates. I can click on any groups. Here we have business group, and here we have enough templates. And you can click on the back, and you can see a different groups. Here we have a personal and planners and trackers, and here I can see several templates. So I don't need to start all the works from start. So I can have the templates, and I can replace the contents, and I can finish my work as early as possible. And here we have a template, marketing project planner. So if I need this template, I can click on this template and I will have this dialog box, and here we have marketing project planner, the name of this template, and here we have create button. I can click on this create button to download this templates. And now here we have nice marketing project planner. So I can replace the contents and I can complete my work in a quick time. Now let's see how we can open an existing workbook. So to open workbook, we can come to this backstage view here, and here we have open command, and you can click on this open. And once you click on this open, and you will see the screen, and the right side we have workbook, and here we have the recent workbook that I have opened, and here we have the folders that I have accessed recently. And here we have OneDrive, and you can download a file from OneDrive and you can work with there, and we'll come back later. And here we have this PC. You can locate the folder and you can open the workbook. Otherwise, we can add a place in the OneDrive and we can open a file. And here we have browse button, and you can click on this browse and you can call the browse, and you can select the file that you want to open and you can click open. Otherwise, you can locate this file in Explorer, Windows Explorer, and we can double click on this file and we can directly open. So in any other way you can open it. So here I locate this file and I'm going to click on this open to open this file. And here you can see the title bar, the name of the file, and here we have the file extension. Here you can notice the file extension is XLS, and you can see within square parentheses here we have compatibility modes. Let's see what is this compatibility mode. Sometimes you may need to work with the workbooks that were created in earlier versions of Microsoft Excel, like Microsoft Excel 2016, 2013, 2010, or Microsoft Excel 2007. When you open this type of file or kind of a workbook, they will appear in compatibility mode. Here you can see the compatibility mode. So it was created in 2003 versions, 97 to 2003 version. So that's what it appears compatibility mode. Compatibility mode disables certain features, so you will only be able to access commands found in the programs that was used to create the workbook. If it is created in 2013 versions, so we can use only the limited features which was available in 2013 version. Let's see how we can convert this file into the latest version. To convert this file into the latest version, you can go to the backstage view and you can click on this info. Once you click info, we'll get the screen, and here we have compatibility mode. Here you can see the brief notes about this compatibility mode, and now I'm going to click on this convert button. So Microsoft Excel displays a message box, and here we have the message box. This section converts the workbook to the current file format, which allows you to use all of the features of Microsoft Excel 2019. So I'm going to click OK to convert this file into the latest version, and here we have the confirmation message. The file format completed successfully, and here we can click yes to complete that one. And here we can see the file name, and the file extension is XLSX. So like that, if you encounter kind of a problem, for example, compatibility mode or XLS file, we can convert that file into the latest version to enjoy or to use all of the latest feature which is available in 2019 versions of Microsoft Excel. So these are the areas that I want to focus in lesson number 2. If you have any queries, you can comment in the comment box. Thank you very much, guys. We'll meet in the next video.